Good morning, students. Previously, we have completed calculation of new ratio and sacrificing ratio. So now you are familiar with ratio. So after then, we have to calculate, we have to do accounting treatment of goodwill in case of admission. So in your books, there are 3 cases, but actually there are 5 cases. The case number 1 is when goodwill paid privately. Privately means no entry in books. So there is no treatment in books. Case 2. When goodwill already appeared in books. That means previous goodwill, existing goodwill. Then in every case, if there is a word already or existing, then what will be the entry? Old partners capital account debit to goodwill account in old ratio. Old partners capital account debit to goodwill account in old ratio. For example, A and B are 2 partners. So A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to goodwill account which is previously debited, now it will be credited. For example, it is of 60,000 and the ratio, old ratio is 3:2. So 36 and 24,000. Third case, when new partner brings goodwill in cash, then first entry will be cash account or bank account debit to new partner's capital account. Definitely he will bring his capital in cash, and for goodwill to premium for goodwill account if he brings goodwill in cash. Now this premium for goodwill will be divided by old partner in their sacrificing ratio. So second entry will be premium for goodwill account debit to old partner's capital account in sacrificing ratio. For example, there are 2 old partners. So to A's capital account, to B's capital account in their old ratio. And third case, if it is said in question that goodwill is withdrawn by old partners. If this goodwill is withdrawn by old partners, so then old partners capital account should be debited because now their capital is decreasing to cash or bank account. To cash account, why? Because they just withdrew cash from business. That's why to cash or bank account. It is not quite necessary that they withdrawn whole of the capital. They can withdraw half of premium for goodwill. They can withdraw 1/4. It is said in question, so it can be half or 1/4, any case according to question. Fourth case, when new partner does not bring goodwill in cash. If new partner does not bring goodwill in cash, then first entry will be half. Means cash or bank account debit to new partner's capital only, because no premium for goodwill. Why? Because he does not bring goodwill in cash. So the first entry will be half. Cash or bank account debit to new partner's capital account only. And in second entry, everything is same. Just in place of premium for goodwill, we have to debit new partner's current account. We have to debit it new partner's current account debit to old partner's capital account. Remaining entry will be same. Again I am repeating. When he brings capital in cash only, because not brings goodwill in cash, so cash and bank account debit to new partner's capital account. And when this goodwill is being distributed, then in place of premium for goodwill, we have to write new partner's current account debit to old partner's capital account. There is fifth case also, when there is partly means some goodwill, some share of goodwill brought in cash by new partner and some not in cash. Then what we will do? Then this entry will be combined. This entry will be combined. How it will be combined? The entry will be cash account debit or bank account debit to new partners capital account capital he must have to bring some cash, and the portion which is bringing cash, for that 2 premium for goodwill, 2 premium for goodwill, and the premium which is not bringing cash, that should be treated in next entry, that should be treated in next entry. The second entry will be the premium for goodwill which is bringing cash, that should be divided in old partners. So premium for goodwill account debit, and the part which is not bringing cash, for that new partners current account debit. It is our fifth case. These are the entries for case number 5, when goodwill, some amount of goodwill brings in cash and some not in cash. So for cash, cash account debit to new partners capital account to premium for goodwill, and while distributing it, premium for goodwill account debit, new partners current account debit to old partners capital account, old partners capital account in their sacrificing ratio. Keep it in mind that goodwill should always be distributed in sacrificing ratio and remaining all things in old ratio. I hope it is clear. Thank you.